say love don't cost a dime, don't cost no money. Sometimes I be out of it, don't wanna see nobody.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. On today's video, I have another haul for you guys. This haul is a little more casual than the last haul. If you didn't check that one out, I did like a maxi dress, vacation dress haul last week. So go check that out if you haven't after you watch this one. On today's video, I am doing a FashionNova matching sets haul for you guys. So they're all pants, matching set pants, and I picked up a couple different ones, and I wanted to share them with you guys because I'm so in love with them. I bought multiple colors in them, so, and they fit so good, so I wanted to share them with you guys. So the first one I have on is a navy blue color one. Like I said, they're pants. It's a top and a bottom, short sleeves, very stretchy material. The bottom, I'm going to insert a picture so you guys can kind of see that they come all the way down to the floor, and they're like wide legs, so you can wear them with a heel, you can wear them with a flip flop, or a flat, or whatever, however you want to wear them. It could work with all of those. And yeah, I think they're tall girl friendly. With FashionNova, they make sure that there is some type of waistband. So for me, that works perfectly. So, it fits my thighs, and then it also it fits my waist too, because they have this waistband that kind of cinches you in. So I pulled it all the way up. It's like comes past my belly button. So definitely high waist, definitely flowy, comfortable, like I said. Very lightweight. It's not a thick material. It's also not see-through, so that's a good thing too. But yeah, I really love this one. Let me know in the comment section below which one is your favorite, and I'll show you guys the next one. Okay, so here is the next one. This one is a little different, but very similar. Same top, bottom, pants, very flowy pants. These I had to size up in because they did not have a large, but I told you I needed to have them in every color. So I got an extra large in these. The last one was a large, and that's my preferable size. But I think the extra large works too. It's just, like I said, a little more flowy, a little more room. This one ties around the back, and if you can see, like, kind of like little slits on the side, it's because it's wrapped around the back. And as you can see, nice little bow in the back. I think it gives it like a little bit more like classy feel to it, but I like it the same as the other one. I could be tripping, but I feel like this one is like, the material is a little borderline suede material. The other one was more like a linen, kind of material, but this one I feel like it's the material feels a little different, but they both fit the same. No complaints. I love the color. I think they had I don't know if they had other colors in this, but I'll put the link in the description box below so you guys can go check it out. And then, you can just browse and look for similar items, and then it should pop up like the other colors that they have, if they have them. So yeah. Also, for reference, my measurements and everything will be in the description box below. I'm 5'5", so when I say things are tall girl friendly, I'm, thinking like a girl that's 5'7", 5'8", or something like that. Pants they're basically brushing the floor for me, 5'5". So, I'm not sure for you what it would do. The next one will be a little, kind of fun, a fun outfit. You'll see it. Okay, guys, so third one, little different as far as the pattern. I think the other ones for me are a little more, you know, dressy. I would dress them up versus this one. More so I would wear like a flat with it. If I'm going to run errands, I'll throw a jean jacket on or something like that with it. It's a little more dressed down to me. Like I said, you could do either. I think it's just because of the pattern. That's why I feel that way. The whole tie-dye, you know, I feel like that's more like casual vibes. But yeah, same material. This one might be a little thinner, still not see-through, but a little thinner. The sizing runs differently because the other ones are the pants are meant to fit bigger. So I think they, you know, true to size, but they come a little bigger. This set is actually an extra large. So if you can kind of see how they fit on me, I'm not sure if they had an extra, a 2X, or not a 2X, but a 1X. But if they did, I probably could have sized up just to get like that looser feel with the pants. But, you know, I like it either way. I still like them. You know, they fit kind of like, you know, more like tights sort of. But on the bottom, and I'll insert a picture, on the bottom, the pants are still wide leg. They are like dragging the floor for me. So still tall girl friendly. And, you know, I like it. Nice stretchy material. It's pretty much covered up. I pulled them up, you know, so that they are nice and high waist. You guys can see. Very figure hugging, figure flattering. I love these pants. My husband loves these pants. Yeah, so I hope you guys like them. Let me know in the comment section. And, you know, hopefully you guys will click that link and purchase you some, because I really love them. I will definitely recommend it. I have one more for you in a different color. This one is going to be, it's a little more of a pop. So okay guys, so same outfit, different color. This is more like a greenish color. My husband jokes and calls it the watermelon outfit because it literally looks like a watermelon with the pattern and everything. Same size, extra large I got. You know, it pretty much just fits the same. So just a different, you know, I think there's a yellow too. I didn't get that one though. I don't think they had my size, but that would have been nice also. So yeah, that's it guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this haul. Please let me know which one was your favorite in the comment section below. And I hope to see you guys on the next haul.
They say love don't cost a dime, don't cost no money. Sometimes I be out of it, don't wanna see nobody.